Today, we're launching a brand new advertising area built for the future of AI ad management. My name's Logan. I'm the founder of Plai. There's about 10 new features in this update. I've categorized them into 4 key upgrades. Let's go over all of them and show you exactly how this works to save you a hell of a lot of time, make your lives a lot easier, and get you better results. The first is that we now support over 11 different ad platforms and ad types. So when you open up something like Google Ads, it's not just Google search, it's Performance Max, Demand Gen, Shopping, YouTube. Same with Meta. It's not just your standard feed posts, it's catalog, awareness, conversions, leads, messages, WhatsApp, and more. So we've really simplified your ad type selection and your goal type selection when you're creating your campaigns from the start. Number 2 is probably the biggest, is that we now have a brand new optimization hub, because optimizations don't just happen at one level. They happen at the ad level, the ad set level, the campaign level, and the overall account level. With this, we launched a brand new agent rules feature, set triggers, so you can set your rules to increase spend, decrease spend, or even pause the campaigns depending on certain triggers or actions that you set. Along with rules, we've also enabled the same sort of feature for your alerts. So you can now also set custom alerts for your campaigns. Maybe you have, certain number of leads that you want to get a notification for on a specific campaign. You can set that alert, get alerts right within the platform. But going back to optimizations, we now have a full optimization hub where you can see Optimize for Me, which is at the ad creative and at the ad set level for your audience. We have our budget optimizer, formerly known as campaign optimization folders. Put on the budget optimizer and we will and Plai will automatically shift budget across campaign types to the best performing campaign, depending on the actions and goals that you set, or you can leave it on auto and let Plai do its own thing. And going back to rules, this is one of the more powerful features that we have, but this allows you to optimize campaigns across your entire account for specific platforms, for a specific group, or just for specific campaigns. So you can always group your campaigns cross-platform into groups just for better management. So you can optimize campaigns within that group, set a specific rule for those, let Plai take over. The next feature is built-in lead visibility and tracking. We drive millions of leads each year across Meta, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Now you can see and track those leads directly in the advertising experience, easily marking them as far as qualified, in progress, converted, and more. You can see form submission to outcome. Leads are connected to the campaigns that generated them. Now, our 4th and biggest update to this area is really bringing the analytics area into the Advertise tab, so it's all in one place with quick actions. When we first launched Plai, campaign creation was essentially simple. As the platform evolved, we added powerful features, multi-ad set creation, placement targeting, multi-audience types, standard ads, dynamic ads. This new advertising area brings better insights and quick actions directly into analytics. So you can expand to the ad set, expand to the ad level, add custom reporting columns, and act immediately with quick actions on the budget, campaign name, converting campaigns to a different platform, converting your Meta ads over to a LinkedIn ad or to a Google Performance Max, importing existing campaigns and turning those into templates so you can convert high performing campaigns into templates to share with other existing clients to give them a head start and drive better results for them and for your clients, as well as expanding deeper into your creative insights, adding new ad sets, opening up creative insights, seeing which ad is actually performing better, viewing recommendations, as well as even enabling certain optimization features right within the same area. Kind of brings us to step number 5, but just importing and managing existing campaigns is a lot simpler now. You can turn this filter on to view all of your campaigns or just Plai created campaigns. So you can always change the naming of that if you want to, if you're offering this as a branded solution for your clients. You could change the name of this right here. So this new advertising area isn't just cleaner, it's more powerful, it's more scalable, and built for AI first ad management. Whether you're managing one campaign or thousands, one platform or many, this is how advertising should work. Welcome to the new advertising area. This is the future of AI ad management.